All right, so Hermes just introduced Hermes Agent v0.13.0. It comes with multi-agent orchestration through the Kanban system, which I am in love with. I love the Kanban system. The enforced goal completion with the command goal. I think that's one of the most slept on commands right now in the AI space, and big optimizations for disk usage, much more extensibility, custom LLM providers, custom gateway channels, and much, much more. We're going to get into all of that in this video. I also want to show you guys here that News Research announced that Hermes Agent is now #1 on the global open router token rankings. They state here, while our journey together has just begun, we'd like to take this opportunity to thank our contributors, supporters, and users for all they have done to get us this far. The growth around Hermes is literally outstanding. But let's get into this Tenacity release. That's what they're calling this latest release, v0.13.0. So it comes with the multi-agent Kanban. You can delegate to an AI team that actually finishes. So you can basically spin up a durable board and have agents do different tasks, drop tasks on it, and let multiple Hermes workers pick them up, hand them off, and close them out. I think this is absolutely amazing. It's so cool to try. So if you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and spin up the Kanban board. Here it says heartbeats, reclaim, zombie detection, retry budgets, and hallucination gate keep the team and a hallucination gate, keep the team honest. So all you got to do is install it, and then you can have many Kanbans. Now let's talk about Goal, because Goal is literally what power users are utilizing right now to have AI agents continuously work in the background and actually strive for things and get things done. So look, with the goal command, the agent doesn't forget what you asked it to do. Lock the agent onto a target and it stays on task across turns. So the Ralph loop as a first class primitive. Codex has this now in the Codex app, and it's had it in the CLI for, I want to say, about a week or two now, maybe longer. I found out about it like about a week or two ago. But Codex has this in the app too. That's one thing a lot of people don't realize. They never came out and announced it, but since they launched it in the CLI, it's available in the app. So if you want to try out Goal, you can utilize it here with Hermes. I believe you can do it with OpenClaw as well, and you can do it inside of Codex. I love using it inside Codex, the app as well as the CLI. So you can show Hermes a video now. Look, new video analyze tool for native video understanding on Gemini and compatible multimodal models. This is huge. When I mean this is huge, I think this is amazing to actually analyze a video. I mean, the implications of this are so large. I would have to make a separate video to describe to you guys how huge this is, especially for an agent to be able to do. We're not going to do that in this video, but just know that that's huge. You have clone a voice with XAI custom voices, lands as a TTS provider with voice cloning support, which I think is pretty cool. Hermes speaks your language. So you have the static gateway plus CLI message translate to 7 locales: Chinese, Japan, German, Spanish, French, Ukrainian, and Turkish. You have Google Chat, right? So now this is the 20th messaging platform, plus generic platform plugin hooks surface. So third-party adapters drop in without touching core. You have, let's see some of the other cool stuff. You have no agent cron mode, script only watchdog that allows cron jobs to skip the agent entirely and just run a script. You have MCP level ups. You have TUI glow up. So the terminal glow up here. Model picker matches Hermes model with inline auth. And you have collapsible startup banner sections. What else do we have here? Open router response caching, explicit cache control for models that expose it. There's a couple other things I wanted to talk about here. 6 new optional skills. So yes, you have Shopify admin plus storefront GraphQL. You have Anthropic Financial Services bundle that we talked about in our previous video. You have the Kanban video orchestrator. So many new amazing things. You have DeepSeek V4 Pro compatibility. You have Grok 4.3 compatibility and Al Alpha, as well as HY3 preview from Tencent. 100 fresh CLI startup tips, and they go into detail here about each one of these updates here on the GitHub releases. This one here is the Kanban. They have the goal here where you can literally have the AI agents do so many amazing things and continue to work in the background without you having to continuously tell it what to do. And I want to talk about that for a second. So a lot of people are spinning up these goals to make, of course, like 10K MRR, $1 million ARR businesses, right? But besides having it just make money, these things have been put to the test to build, amazing games, amazing web apps, amazing mobile apps, all types of different websites, all types of different desktop apps. The capabilities of the AI we have nowadays is outstanding, and the ability to have it work and persist toward a goal without you having to continuously steer it every time it finishes one particular part is like that next level up, getting us closer to what some would consider AGI, right? Having AI that can literally do anything and everything. It's just that next step. Of course, it's not AGI, but it's on the road to it, in my opinion, because you don't have to sit there and babysit the AI. And I think that's one of the huge uh, groundbreaking moments for the AI space is having the AI continue to work, continue to push toward a goal, and to continue to do something or achieve something without the human being in the loop. So that's pretty much the new update here. I wanted to talk more about the Kanban board and show an example, but this is more so just like an update video. I think it's really cool that they're number one on global Open Router's global token rankings. Hermes is getting a lot of attention now and a lot of support, and people are really paying attention to Hermes and really starting to utilize the Hermes agent. I know I am. I have a couple projects that are utilizing the Hermes agent as well as OpenClaw as well. But I think the capabilities here are just amazing. I love using Comfy UI inside of Hermes. It's just next level. It allows the workflow to be so much more efficient, and it allows the AI to take control in places where I just wouldn't be able to really do a good job. But a lot of my projects, like I said, they use Hermes Agent. It's just so much more efficient. The memory is amazing. I know a lot of people are using different things like Obsidian and different other things to hook up to the memory, but the built-in skills are amazing. I think Technium stated that you can spawn a Hermes agent with no built-in skills now too. I think he did say something like that the other day. But there you have it. This is the new Hermes update. I think is huge. I'm looking forward to more updates from both Hermes and OpenClaw, as well as these coding agents, everything agents, anything and everything agents. I'm looking forward to it. It's super exciting space. We have so much capabilities right in our hands. This AI that we have at our disposal is super huge. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried out the new version? Have you tried out any of the skills? Have you tried out any of the plugins? What's your most favorite thing you like about Hermes, and what kind of projects are you working on? Let me know down in the comment section below. But there you have it. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions for content you want to see or videos you want to see in the future, let me know down in the comment section below. And I will see you guys in the next video.